Feeling comfortable may seem good, but in the business world, it is a recipe for stagnation. That is, not being able to move forward. Because those who are afraid to take risks miss out on the best opportunities to grow and innovate. So, do you want to understand why it is so important to leave your comfort zone to transform your career and your business and thus achieve truly worthwhile results? So, watch this video until the end to understand all of this in a very practical way so that you and your business can move toward what matters. And also with the 6 steps to leave your comfort zone naturally and professionally. To make this subject very clear, we will practically show you what is the comfort zone, why do we stay in it, the importance of leaving your comfort zone, how to leave your comfort zone in 6 practical tips. So, let's get started. 1. What is a comfort zone? The expression comfort zone refers to a mental and emotional state in which we feel safe without the pressure of facing new challenges. However, it is important to understand that this zone, although it offers security and stability, can also be a trap that prevents us from growing and reaching our true potential in business and professional life. The comfort zone can be understood as a set of behaviors and routines that a person adopts to avoid risks and uncertainties. In this state, the person feels safe without the need to face the unknown or stressful situation. For many, the comfort zone represents a place of protection against failure, rejection, or criticism. However, by remaining stuck in this state, we limit our opportunities for growth, learning, and innovation. And in the business world, the comfort zone can be very harmful because the market is dynamic and competitive, requiring constant adaptation and evolution. Therefore, professionals who resist change and settle for less run the risk of falling behind, while those who face new challenges tend to open doors to great opportunities. 2. Why do we stay in the comfort zone? It is natural for us to seek security and avoid the unknown. Several reasons lead people to stay in their comfort zone, such as one of the main reasons why people do not take risks is the fear of failure. Failure can be uncomfortable and frustrating, and many would rather not try than face the possibility of making a mistake. Furthermore, financial and emotional stability is an important factor for many. Taking risks in new ventures or strategies can seem like a threat to this security. Likewise, the unknown is scary. When we don't know what to expect from a new situation, our mind tends to focus on possible negative outcomes, creating a psychological barrier that prevents us from taking action. Therefore, when a person is comfortable with their current situation, whether in terms of career or business success, it can be difficult to find the motivation to seek more. Although all these reasons are understandable, it is important to realize that growth only happens outside of the comfort zone. So, great business leaders, successful entrepreneurs, and innovators know that it is necessary to take risks, experiment, and even fail in order to learn and evolve. And just out of curiosity, have you ever found yourself in your comfort zone? Comment here with us. 3. The importance of leaving the comfort zone. Leaving the comfort zone is essential for those who want to achieve great results in business. And here are some of the main benefits that you can obtain by breaking with your self-imposed limitations. Personal and professional growth. When you step out of your comfort zone, you are forced to learn new things. Whether it's acquiring new skills, meeting new people, or exploring new ideas, you increase your capabilities and expand your worldview. This leads directly to personal and professional growth, making you better prepared to deal with market challenges. Opening up to opportunities. In addition, your comfort zone can limit your ability to see and seize new opportunities. When you open yourself up to new experiences, you have the chance to identify market niches, develop new products or services, and establish strategic partnerships that would otherwise not be possible. Innovation and creativity. The business environment demands constant innovation. Staying in your comfort zone tends to restrict your creativity, as you are always resorting to the same old solutions to the same problems. Keep in mind that by challenging your limitation and exposing yourself to new ideas and experiences, you unleash your creative potential, which is essential for business success. Improving decision-making skills. Making important decisions can be scary, especially when they involve risk. By getting used to stepping out of your comfort zone, you become more confident in your decision-making abilities, even in uncertain situations. This is essential in the business world, where the ability to act quickly and assertively can be the difference between success and failure. Resilience and overcoming. Successful entrepreneurs face countless challenges throughout their journeys. By stepping out of your comfort zone, you're also developing your resilience. Each obstacle you overcome makes you stronger, more prepared, and more resilient to future adversities. 4. How to step out of your comfort zone in 6 practical tips. 1. Set challenging goals. One way to start stepping out of your comfort zone is by setting goals that require more effort and dedication than you are used to. For example, if you have always worked with a certain number of clients, how about doubling that number in the next few months? Ambitious goals force you to think outside the box and find new ways to achieve your goals. 2. Accept failure as part of the process. One of the biggest fears that keeps us stuck in our comfort zone is the fear of failure. However, it is essential to understand that failure is part of the learning process. Instead of avoiding it, see failure as an opportunity for growth. Great entrepreneurs failed many times before achieving success. The important thing is to learn from your mistakes and move on. 3. Take calculated risks. Stepping out of your comfort zone does not mean acting impulsively or making reckless decisions. It is possible to take calculated risks, analyzing the opportunities and challenges involved. By doing so, you minimize potential negative impacts and increase your chances of success. 4. Seek to learn constantly. Investing in education and continuous learning is an excellent way to get out of your comfort zone. Therefore, participate in courses, seminars, workshops, and lectures that expand your knowledge and challenge your skills. The more you learn, the more prepared you will be to face new challenges. 5. Surround yourself with people who challenge you. The people you associate with can directly influence your desire to leave your comfort zone. Therefore, surround yourself with people who inspire you to be better, who challenge you to think differently, and who encourage you to seek more. For example, mentors and colleagues can provide the support and insights you need to feel more confident in your decisions. 6. Practice discomfort gradually. Leaving your comfort zone can be a gradual process. It is not necessary to take a radical leap all at once. So, start by facing small daily discomforts, such as speaking in public, making quicker decisions, or looking for new clients, for example. Over time, these actions will become more natural, and you will have developed the confidence needed to face greater challenges. And with everything we have said so far, keep in mind that leaving your comfort zone is a fundamental step for anyone who wants to be successful in business. Although it is natural to seek security and avoid risks, it is important to recognize that true growth occurs when we challenge ourselves and explore the unknown. Keep in mind that success rarely comes to those who stand still. You need to act, take risks, and above all, believe in your potential. And just to recap what we have talked about here. 1. What is the comfort zone? 2. Why do we stay in the comfort zone? 3. The importance of leaving your comfort zone. 4. How to leave your comfort zone in 6 practical tips.
We hope you enjoyed it, and if you want to know more about how to set up and manage your own business, visit our YouTube channel where we have several videos about this subject, and if you liked it, share this video with your friends and family to help them too. Thanks and see you next time.